Did you know that animals are essential allies in mitigating climate change? Sea otters help restore kelp forests, which absorb carbon. Elephants spread seeds that regenerate forests. Whales encourage phytoplankton growth, capturing massive amounts of carbon from the atmosphere. From restoring ecosystems to enhancing carbon sequestration, animals do a great deal to help us protect the planet. Yet wildlife faces multiple threats, including being hunted, trafficked, and losing their habitats. We are pushing species to the brink of extinction. And the way we produce and consume food is further reducing space for wildlife to thrive. Our food systems are driving biodiversity loss through marine and land degradation. The Animals for Climate Action tool shows how governments can integrate animal welfare into their climate strategies. It offers practical solutions across 3 key areas: biodiversity protection and restoration, improving food production systems, shifting food consumption patterns. Each area includes policy actions, recommended measures, and real-world examples to inspire impactful change. Explore our tool and discover how you can take action. Because when animals thrive, our planet thrives.